Hi everyone, I'm Anveenie and welcome back to the channel. It is almost time for holidays and I don't know about you, but I'm in extra festive mood. So today's build is about making a village for Santa and the elves. The location is Wishblossom Ranch, the Wishing Way biome. I fell in love with this part of the map the first time I saw it and have wanted to build a village here ever since. It has the perfect structure for a small village, with two streets in two levels, mountains as a backdrop, and a waterfront view with the little fishing area with the most cozy and relaxing nature sounds. Thankfully, with the new building kits, it is much easier to come up with the build that would look like a street, with houses placed close to each other. For the street above, I'm using the snowy Alpine building pieces, of course, mixed with the Scrooge's store, Remy's restaurant, and Player's house, which all of these buildings were designed to match the snowy Alpine building kit pieces. I am using two players' houses in this build, the one advertised in Deluxe Edition and the other one that they gave us by mistake on the first day. If you didn't play on the first day and missed out on it, I'm very sorry. I hope they would just give it to everyone who bought the Deluxe Edition at this point. Both of these houses can be blended with the Alpine building pieces seamlessly. For the lower section of this build, I am using Arendelle City Center from the current star path to make Elves quarters and also the Christmas Town Hall house skin. I'm also using a few stands throughout the build, like Festive Food Truck from the current Winter Warmth star path, the stands from one of the old star paths, and festive market items from the premium shop. It is much harder to find items after the last update because the furniture menu is broken. I cannot scroll down through all my furniture to find items from previous years, and filters are all over the place. I tried to use all the festive items we had from previous years that I could remember about. And I'm very happy for everyone that we now have the search bar in our inventory and in Scrooge's, but I just cannot use it because I never remember what anything is called. I need to visually see everything I have and scroll through all of it. It would also be really awesome if we could see the items that we have zero of and how many of each item we have in the crafting bench. We have so much furniture to decorate with now, but everything is all over the place and unorganized. It took some trial and error to build the top street, to find placement for all the buildings, to snap them together without any gaps, and have everything in a line to form a street. I started with the Scrooges, Remy's, and the large player's house. Next, I attached building pieces to them one by one, trying to form an interesting silhouette with the taller buildings on the back and arched entries in front. I used two types of pathing, the snowy brick road and the main street path, which is also matching red roofs and adding to the overall festive look. After the last update, I noticed that the ranch beams can be placed outside. I don't know if that was intended and if it's going to be fixed or not. The items are interior and exterior only, keep changing with every update, so you never know. As you can see, I took advantage of the situation and built a wall using castle wall, stained glass greenhouse, and the ranch beams. The greenhouse walls are very thin, and if you rotate it away from the ranch beams, you can place it very close to each other, making it look like a window with a wooden frame. When making the elf quarters, I wanted to use bunk beds, but they cannot go underneath the Arendelle city center pieces, so I aligned them just outside of it, along my DIY wall. Just pretend that there's a roof there, it's fine. The elf quarters were really fun to make. I tried to make each one unique and fill it with different furniture, where elves would work on designing and making toys. And they also have a lounge area in front with a beautiful waterfront view. Right outside the quarters, we have an ice skating rink, and it looks like Belle and Beast have visited lately. At the village entrance, we have the naughty and nice list, right next to the Santa's greeting area, with his sleigh parked on the side. There is also Kristoff's sleigh parked on the street when he is making deliveries. I also made another wall on the street above to place the fireplace and dining tables for the holiday feast. At the street's end, we have some hot chocolate and stands with some festive treats. Next to the east gate, you can find a cozy resting area with the fire pit. On the level below, we have the marshmallow roasting area and a little Christmas market in front of the town hall. Elves quarters are my favorite part of this build. It looks so cozy with all the mismatched bunk beds and furniture. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this build, consider leaving a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.